we drag our artwork into the MiSCREEN software. This artwork is at 300 dpi, so it comes in much bigger. I have just turned it around with the toggle. I do fit to page, and that's my artwork ready. I switch my MiSCREEN on and I send the image to the MiSCREEN. As it goes to the MiSCREEN, the light flashes and then it's ready to print. We've put our master material onto our frame, and we've got a small hole and a large hole. There's a large pin and a small pin, and you line them up perfectly. Your image has already been sent, and you just hold the lid down and it produces your master. It takes 35 seconds for the machine to run through, and it will burn away all the parts that were black and leave all the parts that were white. You can see the image coming out on the screen just exactly as it is on the piece of artwork that you've sent through. So here is our image burnt out, and you can see at the top it's all nice, clear and sharp, and then in the middle where we had these halftone lines, and then even here there's tiny dots in this, so we'll get a halftone print, and then a solid area burnt away around here. So this is our artwork ready to go. We just need to go and print it now. So I've set up a print studio and art studio in the garden, and you can see here's our 4-colour carousel all set up, ready to set up the frame, and we've covered it with some tape so that it doesn't get the edges dirty, and we're now ready to print, and we're just going to print a shopper bag. So here we are spreading the ink, nothing sophisticated in that. This is a Union ink, Plastisol, and it works lovely on these cotton shoppers. So I do apologise for my creaky frame, but here we are just laying down the ink. One pull, a nice and easy steady stroke, and you get a great result. So here's the story. Do you teach screen printing the old way? You're missing out, and so are your students. You should be using the new amazing MiSCREEN. So we're just going to zoom in on this print so you can see how good it is. You get your wording at the top, and it's all nice and sharp and clean, and then you get the lines of that different font, and then this third font we've used as a dots to give you a lovely halftone, and then you get your outline and your solids. Totally perfect.